In this video, we will have a look at some land cover data in the Digital Earth Australia portal and look at some tools to explore the data. To add data to the map, click on Explore Map Data on the left. We are looking at land cover, so we navigate to Land and Vegetation, DEA Land Cover, and we select DEA Land Cover Landsat by hitting the plus icon. We now see a light blue overlay on the map. When we zoom in closer, the data set will begin to load in. On the left-hand side of the screen, we have our dataset controls. Each dataset will have some common features and some unique features. Click About Data to learn more about the dataset you have selected. This dataset has time in years that you can alter, a legend describing the data, and in this dataset, the option to change styles. Changing the styles also changes the legend. Let's look a bit closer at the DEA comparison tool. Click on the three dots on the left in your dataset and select the Compare tool. This has now made a copy of the dataset and added a slider to the map. Now we can set the left and right hand sides of the slider to specific years. The copy of the data is on the left of the slider, and the original data is on the right. Let's change the year of the left-hand side to 2000. You can now adjust the slider to view the change in this location from 2000 to 2020. Try exploring this data to compare wet or dry years. See if land cover changes with urban sprawl or any other developments. See which other datasets you can explore through time, like DEA fractional cover or DEA water observations.